Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about comparison operators in Python. So comparison operators are used to compare the value of two operands and it returns the boolean true or false. So we have seen the boolean data type which has two values, true or false. So comparison operator always returns a boolean value which will be true or false. So these are different types of comparison operators. First one is equal equal. So it is used to check if two operands are equal or not. The second one is not equal. So this is the symbol for not equal in coding language. This is less than equal to, this is greater than equal to, greater than and less than. So let's check in code how we can use these comparison operators. So this is my operator.python file here. So what I will do, I have two variables, num1 which has value 10, num2 which has value 20, and what I will do, I will save a result, and let's say I want to check if num1 is equal to num2, and then I will print the result. So in this case what it will say, like num1 is 10, num2 is 20, so num1 is not equal to num2, so this should print me false. Let me run this. So see, we are getting here false because the two numbers are not equal. So if I provide here 10, then in that case it will be true. So true. So you need to remember here that double equals stands for, it is used to compare the two operands, like num1 and num2 is getting compared and accordingly the result is getting displayed. So let's say now I want to check num1 is not equals to num2. So that is represented by exclamation and equal to sign. So currently num1 is 10, num2 is 20. So it is not equals to num2. So this will be true. So see, we are getting here true. If I provide same values now, and if I say num1 is not equal to num2, so currently they are both equal. So this expression will be false. Num1 is not equal to num2. So in this case it will be false because they are equal. So that's why it is printing as false. Another one we can check here is num1 is less than num2. Currently num1 is less than num2, so it will print true. Sorry, both are equal now, so I will need to provide here some greater value. Let's say 20. So see, num1 is less than num2 because num1 is 10, so 10 is less than 20. If I provide here greater than now, so num1 is greater than num2. So num1 is not greater than num2 now because num1 is 10 and this is 20. So 10 is less than 20. So this expression should return me false. So see, we are getting here false. Another expressions where less than, greater than, equal to and less than equal to. So this stands for greater than equals. So currently num1 is 10, num2 is 20. So it is not greater or equal to num2. So it should return me false. So see, we are getting here false. But if I write here 20, so it is equal to, so this expression will be true now. See, we are getting here true because num1 is greater than equal to num2. Also we can provide here less than equal to. So currently they are equal, so this expression will also return true because it is less than or equal to num2. We run this. So see, we are getting here true. Now if I reduce the value of num1 here 19, so num1 is less than or equal to num2. So it is less than num2. So it will again print true. See, we are getting here true. What if I provide here 21? So in that case it will be false because it is now num1 is greater than or equal to num2. Let me run this. So see, we are getting here false. So in this way you can make use of this comparison operators. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics of the operator in the next video. Thank you for watching.